Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Sinful Colors Sundown Getdown. I started off with Baby Girl Lacquer, Glitter Be Gone, and this is Sinful Colors Sundown Getdown. It's a beautiful like orangey red with this purpley pink shimmer that totally shows up on the nail. Oh yes! Such a pretty polish. I am making a little bit of a mess, but it's not the polish's fault. I just get a little overzealous sometimes and get a little crazy with my application. That's okay. It gives Woody a chance to hop out here. Hi, Woody. How you doing? Get that little mess cleaned up for me. Thank you. And we're going to go in for our second coat of Sundown Settle Down, or what is it? Settle Down. Sundown Getdown. Woo-wee, what a it's a tongue twister there, y'all. So we're going to get Woody back out here again because I'm still being messy. It's all good, though. And then we're going to top it all off with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Get it to dry down. And I do believe this Pro FX is starting to get thick. So I'm going to see if I can add some thinner to it and get it to act right again. And there is a swatch photo of it on its own. I'll be using L016 today. This is one of those stamping plates that Miss Becky sent me, and I'm having trouble getting the blue film off. Never had this much trouble. Look, it's stuck up in the corner. I'm gonna grab out my tweezers and try to get it off of there. You know, I'm not gonna scrape it with my fingernails because I don't use them as tools. That's what I have all these handy dandy tools for. There we go. Yay! And I'm going to clean it off with some acetone and a paper towel. Today I'm going to be using Nailtiques Liquid Sunshine. I'm just in love with this one. And my Nailtiques Monocle Stamper and Scraper. Now I really thought this was going to pop over this nail. I really did. But, you know, I got it on there and I could see it, but you'll see. Hang on a second. It just wasn't as vivid as I thought it would be. It's a hollow. So we're going to end up doing something else with this. We're going to keep on going with this, but just so y'all know, I'm not going to leave it like that. I am cleaning that plate off with some acetone, and that stamper was cleaned off on my lint roller. So while we're talking about this, you can see over on the other hand, I've got those blue nails. Of course, I'm going to record that video too, but the red nails and the blue nails, both of them were looking kind of funky after the top coat dried. So that's why I think I need to add some thinner to the quick dry top coat. I think something's going on with it. I'm just hoping I can salvage it. So now that we've got that all done, we're going to go in with Game Over and use that same design and just double stamp these. Since that first one did not pop the way I wanted it to, we're going to make this pop. We're going to make sure we can see it. So I am going in with the black and I'm having trouble lining stuff up. Y'all know I struggle with this. Tap it down. I'm going to go in with a piece of tape real quick and grab up any of that polish that's on my skin to the best of my abilities here. And then I'm going to go in with my cleanup brush and clean up anything that's left. I love this Nailtiques cleanup brush. I was so scared I was never going to find a brush that I liked. I mean, I found some that I liked, but, you know, I really need to love it, you know. And I think I love this one. It's working out really well. We'll just have to see how long it'll last. We're testing it. We're in test mode. Alright, now we're going to top this one with the smudge-free top coat from Nailtiques, and we're going to seal that in. And you can tell it's not perfect stamping, but I'm pretty happy with it. And now that that's dry, I'm going to go in with the Moonshine Manny Let's Go top coat and get this one to dry all the way down. Very, very nice and glossy. And here's my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.